Today we will be doing an oil change for the Ninja H2. So first of all, we need to remove this underside fairing to access the oil filter. And so let me check. Cool. It's done on this side, and I will remove the other side. And this shows now. Come on. Okay. Now, so good. So before we remove the drain part, we can remove this inlet. I don't know what you call it, but yeah. Okay, let me warm up the engine first, just to make sure the oil runs smooth. Okay, so it's been 1 year since I have ridden this Jamie. So the battery died. That's why I removed the seat. And good thing that I have this anti-gravity restart battery, so I just restarted it. And then let's fire up the bike to warm up the engine oil, and then we will start the draining after that. Let's listen to the engine. Oops. Okay, time to drain the oil. Now I'm gonna remove the drain plug. Draining, oh draining. All those oil wasted, I never even read it in the past 1 year. Okay, now Okay, so now I will run the system just to check the new oil level, and if it's all good, I'll put up the undercowl or fairing, and we're all done. Another rev, oh no, another exhaust. Ninja H2 sound. Check, check. Okay, need to top up some more oil just to the optimum line, because after running the engine, it seems like the oil is still short. Okay, we're almost done. Oh, soon, soon. Rain, don't come in. Yep, one last drop and we're all good. Cool. And now, time to dispose the used oil. Happy my days without you. And thank you for watching. Peace out.